This coin may look simple at first glance, but its real story is far more powerful than you imagine. Welcome back to Coin Snap, the channel where we explore real coin history, hidden meanings, and authentic details from around the world. In today's video, we are taking a deep look at a fascinating bimetal coin, the South African 20 Rand coin, a modern yet historically rich piece of currency that reflects national identity, economic transition, and artistic excellence. This coin is not just a medium of exchange but a symbol of unity and strength, carrying deep meaning through its design, metal composition, and official insignia. In this video, you will learn the real facts, historical background, design symbolism, minting process, and why this coin holds importance for collectors and everyday users alike. Stay with Coin Snap till the end to understand why this coin deserves attention and respect in the world of numismatics. The South African 20 Rand coin is a bimetallic coin, meaning it is made using two different metals combined into a single piece. The outer ring is usually composed of nickel-plated copper or a similar alloy, while the inner core is made from bronze or brass, giving the coin its distinct two-tone appearance. This design is not only visually appealing but also serves practical purposes, including durability, anti-counterfeiting measures, and easy recognition by touch. The large 20 displayed prominently in the center clearly indicates its denomination, making it user-friendly for daily transactions. Beneath the number, the National Coat of Arms of South Africa is proudly displayed, symbolizing democracy, unity, and national pride. The coin size, weight, and thickness are carefully standardized to ensure consistency across all minted pieces, which is a critical factor in modern coinage systems. The coat of arms seen on this coin is one of the most meaningful elements of South African national symbolism. It features a shield, figures, and symbolic animals that represent protection, growth, strength, and unity among the people. This coat of arms was adopted after the end of apartheid, making it a powerful representation of a new democratic era. The inclusion of this emblem on the 20 Rand coin reflects South Africa's commitment to honoring its diverse culture and shared future. Coins like this act as miniature historical documents, carrying political and social messages that go far beyond their face value. Every detail engraved on the coin is intentional and approved by national authorities before circulation. The text around the outer ring of the coin typically reads South Africa or Suid-Afrika, depending on the minting year and language policy. This bilingual or multilingual approach reflects the country's recognition of its diverse population. The lettering style is clean and modern, ensuring clarity even after years of circulation. Over time, circulated coins may show signs of wear, such as smooth edges or faded details, but these marks also tell a story of real use and economic life. Collectors often distinguish between circulated and uncirculated examples, with uncirculated coins holding higher collectible value due to their preserved condition. From a historical perspective, the 20 Rand coin was introduced as part of South Africa's evolving currency system to accommodate inflation and economic growth. As prices increased and higher denominations became necessary for daily transactions, coins like the 20 Rand provided a durable alternative to lower-value banknotes. The use of bimetal technology placed South Africa among modern minting nations that prioritize security and longevity. These coins are minted by the South African Mint, an institution known for producing high-quality circulation and commemorative coins with international recognition. In terms of collectability, the South African 20 Rand coin is generally considered a modern circulation coin rather than a rare collectible. However, specific years, minting variations, errors, or uncirculated examples can attract interest from collectors. Coins with minting errors, off-center strikes, or unusual metal alignment may carry higher market value. For beginner collectors, this coin serves as an excellent introduction to world coins, bimetal designs, and African numismatics. Its affordability and availability make it accessible, while its symbolism adds educational value. As we come to the end of this detailed exploration, it becomes clear that the South African 20 Rand coin is far more than just a piece of money. It represents history, unity, modern minting technology, and national pride, all captured within a single bimetal design. Coins like this remind us that currency carries stories, identities, and values that last far beyond everyday use.